All right. All right. Let's do this. Oh, we can even see some people that have already started. It's amazing. Because you guys are not playing around. Okay. I love it. But we are going to talk about our Khan Academy for this week. Pythagorean theorem, word problems, volume of cylinder spheres. I'll let you guys get that one and this one as well and post any traffic light problems. But it's there. Okay, and I have 9 minutes for the bell ring. So let's talk about this. How many more kilometers would Meg drive if she drove to Lima through Dayton? So going to Lima from Indy, right? So she's going, and then okay, so we need to figure out X and then we need to add these two together. So let's do 173 squared minus 165 squared equals X squared, right? Because we know A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I just did the derivative formula, which would be C squared minus B squared equals A squared. Isn't that true? Isn't that a corollary of the whole thing? So let's start. So we got 173 squared is 29929. 29929. 165 squared is 27225. 27225. Subtract those numbers. 2922. 29929 minus 27225 is 2704. It's a square root of 2704. Okay. Oh my lantern. Who knows? The square root of 2704 is 52. So that distance was 52. So we want to add those together. So this is 165 plus 52. Let's just double check that with our hints. It 52. Oh, how much further? How much further? Oh, goodness, it's a good thing. So we add those together, you get 217. But then it says how much further. So it was 173 straight away. So then it's 44. I knew that. I knew that. What a great problem, huh? All right. So do your Pythagorean theorem word problems. Do your a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And see if you can do all those. Let's talk about volume. So volume, how much capacity something can hold in square cubes. Okay, and the volume of cylinders is pretty simple here. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared hy, because the volume of anything is base area times height. So we have different 3D shapes and they have bases, like this coffee cup, which I'm very surprised that I have. It has a base down here and a base up here. And it has a height. Everything in my cell phone is a prism. And the bases would be the screen and the back. And then around the sides are the lateral faces. Okay, and in all cases, we can find the base, the shape, find its area, and multiply it by the height of the prism. And that is always the volume. So the radius here is 5. So we're going to say 25 pi for our base area times the height of 3. It's going to be 75 pi. 75 pi. Okay. And so you can see they're all pretty daggone similar. So have fun with that. Okay. Different area formula. Same idea. The volume of a sphere. How cool is that? You can find the volume of a spherical object. And it is 4/3 pi r cubed. That's it. All you need to know is the radius, and you can find the volume of a whole sphere. So it's just 4/3 pi times 9 cubed. 9 cubed is 729, right, Miss Mike? Or 729 over 3 pi, and that's going to be your exact answer. 4 times 916 2,916 over 3 pi. 2,916 over 3 pi. So that's how you find the volume of a sphere. Okay, and the last two unit tests you can do. All right, and nobody has attempted a volume and surface area word problem. So we'll save that for you. You can submit your traffic light problems. All right, see you in class.